Hello, this is how we type for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the dock location in your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. You can see I have my dock here, this side at the left side. So how you can change different position? Very simple tutorial, guys. Hit the Apple logo here. Hit System Preferences. Here you have General, Desktop and Screensaver, and the third option, Dock. Hit this one. You see here left, bottom and right. I hit bottom, you can put the right. I have an external monitor, so the right side you see how beautiful it look in vertical. So right, I hit the bottom here, so you can move whatever you want. Very simple tutorial, guys, so move whatever you like. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.